Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Fidget today with Frankie the song commenter. So let's do this. You're getting up out of this lazy bed, bro. Alright. Why is my finger all possibly on the camera? I feel like it's I don't know. Frankie. Yeah, we're going to be playing Fidget too. Do you really, Frankie? So I'm getting all the fidgets. Oh, that's fine. Frankie's probably having much more fun than you guys are right now. Frankie's having probably much more fun than you guys are. He's playing Fidget City. I swear I get a new fidget every day. Either it's one of the kids giving one to me, or I just buy one with my own money. I have probably spent $1,000 just this year on fidgets. We do not have this bucket today because I kind of emptied this all on Callie's bed last night. Kind of spilled everywhere or something. So this might take a while, so pause the video. Alright guys, so we got all of the fidgets on the floor, and as you can see, we have made a very, very, very large pile. Frankie, hi! This is our pile. Do you want to play Fidget City? Are you ready to play Fidget City? Alright. We're going to grab our first fidget. And if Frankie doesn't choose, I will. So I'll go first because I'm a human. We're going to be playing with this golden unicorn squishy. Oh my gosh. So sad. You want to turn? Are you scared of it? Are you scared of it? I think that's a yes. Frankie is officially scared of this. Oh my god. Why did I squeeze a nose in that far? So Frankie is scared of this, I guess. Want to try some coffee, bro? Maybe he'll like zipper bracelets. I think he'll like these. Green and blue. I would say these are Frankie the Sun kind of vibes. So Frankie, which one do you like? I have another one, but it's buried in here. And I'm not going to dig it out for you, okay? I've done so many things already for you. Now which one do you want? He's saying I was correct. Do you like these? Oh. Look, you still got this one? You like it? He's kind of just nibbling on it. I've never seen him do that. Oh my god, it's trying to get onto it. Yeah, get on. Wanna get on? Wanna get on? Wanna get on, baby? Wanna get on? Yeah. So, do you want to flip it? Look. He loves this one. You guys like not see him just nibbling on it? That is so cute. Alright, Frankie, I'm so sorry I have to take that out. Do you like mochis? Mochis! Let's see if I can do that thing where I make a fighting noise. This is a little dinosaur mochi. It's so cute. It lost its face, but... Oh, I did. If you put your thumb under here and then squeeze it, like, thumb under, then, like, the pressure modification makes, like, fart sounds. Here, listen. Oh. One time they were selling these, well, not really selling them, just giving them out at my school library, and me and my friend Kate just took some, and we were just making little farting noises with it. It was actually really funny. Alright, it's not that one, we'll get this one. Do you want to try, Frankie? Oh, are you kissing him? I taught him how to kiss people, so now he kisses everything. Oh, look. Oh, this one actually has a face. Do you want it, Frankie? He's like, I like the green one better. Alright, let's try marble and mesh. I bet he'll love this. He'll probably like try to take the marble apart. Or the net apart. Yeah, he will. I really like this. I had a whole collection of these, but they're probably all just buried in here. You see the marble just kind of going around. Want to try? Want to try? He's like, I'll pass. Alright, the last fidget I'm going to be doing is a poppet ball. And you thought I was going to probably say, some of you probably wanted me to say stress ball. But I'm afraid he would get too fascinated in it, poke it, and pop it. We've had a lot of stress balls pop that we're almost getting to the point where we literally cannot have stress balls. So that's why I don't want another one to pop. Because my mom said if they keep popping, we won't be able to have stress balls. So it's really hard to pop all of them at once. Because they just keep on popping it. And did you guys notice whenever you squeeze it, its nose comes out? Want to try? He's scared of that too. I think everything kind of like with the face will terrify him, kind of. Right? Alright, so that's all for this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye! Say bye, Frankie. Alright, he said bye. Bye, guys.